By way of rig this morning, what I'm fishing with right now is a Kayak King spinning rod handle, but I put a casting reel on it, and as you can see, it doesn't have a trigger, but that doesn't impede me using it. This is the most versatile rod that Emmrod makes, because if I want to put a spinning reel on here, I just turn it over. But it's very easy to cast, just a light flick of the wrist, and you get plenty of distance. And it's very easy to work the lure with this. Now in this case, I've got an 8-coil tip, so it's very flexible. And I wanted that today because I'll probably be throwing some lighter lures. Now we had a hit right there. The fish just briefly punched it, and it felt like it was probably a small jack, and they'll hit anything. And that fish could have been no larger than the lure itself. Those little guys can be really aggressive. And we'll stop that for a second, let the ripples disappear, and then we'll continue. It's a beautiful morning right now. I've got on a long sleeve t-shirt and a long sleeve fishing shirt, and it's very, very comfortable. All right, I'm going to reposition the kayak a little bit, spin us this way so we can try a few casts down this bank line.